If you've been searching for strong, stylish plant hangers that actually hold up, this is the bundle you need. 12 pieces, multiple styles, everything included. And I'm breaking down how I use them to level up my greenhouse game. Hey guys, welcome back to the greenhouse. Today I'm finally sharing the plant hanger bundle that I showed in my shorts, I think maybe a week ago. Honestly, it's the best Amazon plant hanger set I've ever found. It's a 12-piece bundle. The quality is top tier and it completely transformed my greenhouse setup. I'll walk you through every single component it comes with, how I install them, and basically show you how I styled my plants using the entire bundle. I'm also going to show you all some that I bought in the past that was also made of macrame. I just love this material for plant hangers. They do stand the test of time. And I'll show you all that, the quality really is top tier and how you can reuse them, how I've been reusing them, and how I've been maintaining the quality. But this particular one is not only the largest set I found, but the most diverse when it comes to style. Before I show you the new 12-piece plant hanger bundle, I want to show you my original set because it's made of the exact same material and this is what convinced me that the quality is truly top tier. Don't get me wrong though, I know these are quite disgusting because they have stood the test of time. They have been exposed to humidity, constant watering, and sunlight. And look at this, it's still sturdy, still holding weight with no fray. Let me show you how I'll get them back up to its original state. I literally just cleaned them with Clorox and the whites are bright again. All this to say that when I saw this new bundle made of the same material, I grabbed it instantly. Okay, so let me show you the new set while you simultaneously take in some gorgeous foliage that has recently popped up in the greenhouse. So it's a set I found on Amazon. It comes in a ton of colors that you'll see probably at the end of this clip. They come in a variety of lengths, and there is one in particular that is a double tear. The rest are all single tear. They are well knotted and woven together for like durability and strength. I can't deny that. But the designs are so beautiful. It's not just single strands anymore with a tassel on the bottom. There's a lot of details, and the entire thing was $37. I got the white set and it came with metal hangers, ceiling hooks, as well as screws and anchors. Because there's so much diversity in the set with respect to lengths and even widths, so that it can hold different size pots. The beading on it is nice, the knot work is unique. It really is a layering set. What I mean by that is you can really achieve a lush, full look because of the variety and the styles of this set in the greenhouse, and you'll see what I mean shortly. For the purposes of this video, I just piled in plants into the hangers because I wanted to emphasize on the size of the pots, how huge they were that were able to fit in these hangers. From 5-gallon pots go down, were able to fit in these. Because my greenhouse was outfitted already with railings to just hang plants, I used the S hooks to secure them to the system itself. And the reason I actually needed a set like this was because I maxed out the greenhouse space already. And for display purposes and just for better maintenance, I think an organization in the greenhouse itself, a set like this came in really handy to take plants off of the floor and allow me to take advantage of the vertical height in the space. I don't think I mentioned as yet, but some of the hangers were brass, which I fell in love with immediately. It wasn't all just a macrame hook. They had brass loops or hoops to be used with the S hook. So I thought that was such a gorgeous feature, especially if you're going to use it in your home. It contrasts well with any surface. And in particular, I love the bottom tassels. I just love that boho look. So, some of my plants really would appreciate these type of hangers, I think, as much as I appreciate them for the style and design because they want to hang. Some of these plants, especially epiphytic ones, they enjoy hanging because that's the natural way they grow in the forest itself, attached to a tree and just, hanging and dangling and just enjoying being free. The longest ones I placed in the middle of the greenhouse because that's where the height really is in here. This greenhouse is about 9.5 feet high. So I just clipped it on to one of the supporting beams, and this is actually my Anthurium warraquinium esmeralda that went down with the move. I'm hoping it comes back, but I am setting it up for success from now in that hanger. Next to it was a hanger that was able to hold an 8-inch wide pot. It's housing my Synapsis Silvery Ann. It is well knotted and I love the top piece. That is so cute in my opinion. So, if you're really into boho styles, I think this set will serve you well. Next, I want to show you all how the black ones compare. They are not as prominent as the white and sort of just gets hidden away in the foliage. If that's the look that you're going for, I would definitely recommend the black over the white. In general, there are a ton of colors to choose from. The choice of plants that I placed in these hangers was primarily based on the lighting situation in the greenhouse. The majority of the hangers were placed on the western side of my greenhouse because that side receives the most light, and I wanted to ensure that my sun loving plants had sufficient access to light. So, using these hangers allowed me to layer the plants rather than having all on one level or all on the floor. I was able to layer the plants to ensure that all are receiving a sufficient amount of light so that they can grow optimally. In contrast, they helped me to create a natural curtain on this side of the greenhouse so that there's more control for the light coming through to the eastern side where I actually need a lower light situation for my anthuriums and other low light loving plants. So I was able to create this natural curtain seamlessly. If you want to get a better idea of how I set up this greenhouse, I actually imported that from Amazon as well. I have the full assembly video, an entire series available that I'll link in the description for y'all. If you want to get a better idea of my greenhouse situation, you can check out that link in the description. And that's it for this video. This is a full view of all of them in my greenhouse. All the macrame hangers I was able to utilize in here. They fully achieved everything, well, helped me achieve everything I wanted to in here for the while. Like I said, the arrangement in here is going to change from time and time again. Hopefully you subscribe and like this video so that you can stay posted and updated with all the changes that are going on in here. And I look forward to having you in the next one. Bye.